Today, we're going to show you how to install a GE 2.5 gallon electric point of use water heater. Included in the box, you will find the product, a pressure relief valve, a wall mounting kit, and a use and care guide. Register your product by either scanning the QR code on the product registration card or on the product itself. Another easy option is to register online at geappliances.com/register. Located on the back of the unit are mounting slots. These allow you to mount your product against a wall or cabinet. Take your pressure relief valve out of the box and install it on the top of the unit. Next, connect your drain to the pressure relief, also called a T&P valve. If you're using Teflon tape, be sure to wrap it in a clockwise direction. Cold and hot water valves are located at the top of the unit. You will remove the red and blue shipping caps and connect 1/2-inch flexible lines to each valve. We are also using thread sealant on these connections, again wrapping clockwise. Now you're ready to install your water heater. Today we're installing under a sink and placing the product on the floor of the cabinet. First, connect your cold water inlet and hot water outlet to your pipes. With the unit in place, you can now turn your shutoff valve back on at the cold water supply line. Turn the hot water on slowly at the faucet to allow air to vent from the water heater and piping. Once you notice a steady flow of water from the hot water faucet, you now have a full water heater. Make sure the control knob is in the off position. Plug into a 120-volt outlet and turn on the water heater. You have now completed installation of your GE 2.5 or 6 gallon electric point of use water heater.